it's Bill Fields. One of the things that people frequently ask me about is, what do I feel is the most important ingredient to long-term success in the real estate business? I probably get that question every single program I deliver. And you know, I always respond the same way. Master the fundamentals of our business. Pretty simple, right? So today what I'd like to do is spend a few minutes with you and share what I feel are 15 of the most important fundamentals you must master if you want to have long-term success in the real estate business. So let's get started. Number one, and most important, you must understand what business you are actually in. I know you think you're in sales. I know you might think you're in marketing, you're in customer service, but really you're in people finding. Your job every day is to leave your home, go out in your market, and spend time searching for the people who have a need to buy or sell real estate. There's not much sales involved. Find a need, service a need. Second fundamental, you must become a good listing agent. If you focus on finding the sellers, the buyers will find you. What you need is a good inventory of sellable listings and a source to replenish them. That's a fundamental you must master. The third thing, you should focus on building your own brand. Consumers of today are very brand conscious, and building a brand will help you position yourself in the minds of the target consumers you're trying to reach. So you must think about what you can do to differentiate you from the competition. Fourth fundamental, you must work your best source of business regularly and with a plan. This is a business. So if you want to be successful, if you want to make lots of contracts, you must make lots of contacts. So you must have a plan of action in order to fulfill that objective. What's the fifth fundamental? Well, guess what? 17% of the agents are now controlling 83% of the business. So take a look around you. Make sure you are doing what the 17% are doing and not what the 83% are doing. Just look around your office and your market, ladies and gentlemen. You'll see rarely that a top producer will be wasting time standing at the coffee machine complaining about the market. Number 6, you must stay in touch with your sphere of influence. Those are the people you know and who know you every 30 days. You must make it a point to have an ongoing email, snail mail, and personal contact program that allows you to stay in touch. And folks, plan to speak with them at least twice a year. What's the next thing? You got to stop being a secret agent. A fundamental of this business is telling everybody who you are, what you do, and what company you work for. Ladies and gentlemen, try to meet 5 new people every day. Introduce yourself and explain to them what you do. Number 8, you must work with prospects and not suspects. One of the reasons that so many people fail in real estate is they never master the fundamental reality of you must work with prospects and not suspects. And what's the difference? Well, it's simple. A prospect has a need, so we should always be focusing on satisfying the need. Number 9. You must have a good lead tracking and follow-up system. It's impossible for you to turbocharge a real estate business, be part of the 17% who are controlling 83% of the business, if you don't have an automated program for staying in touch with your customers and prospects. Number 10. You must expand your demographic and geographic reach. The demographics of our customer base, those buyers and sellers we deal with, it's changing quickly. And if we want to be successful, we must change with them. Because there are lots of new opportunities for those agents who are willing to expand their demographic and geographic base. What about you? Number 11. Know how to say the right thing in the right way at the right time. Whether you like it or not, you are a salesperson. And to be a good salesperson, you need to know how to master the tools of our trade. And what are the tools of our trade? Words. Say the right thing in the right way at the right time. Number 12. You must invest in our business. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a business. You should plan on investing a minimum of 10% of the income you make back into growing your business to the next level. If all you're doing each month is just taking it out and you're struggling to get ahead, that's probably one of the reasons why. A fundamental for this business is you must invest if you want to be successful. Number 13, schedule quarterly time to review the results of your business plan and make necessary adjustments and changes. A business plan we write in January will need to be changed in June. So to keep you on track to reach your goals and objectives, you must schedule that time. That's a fundamental principle of running a successful business. Number 14. You must focus on conversion ratios. A little change in one of your ratios can make a huge difference in your performance. So what is your listings taken versus sold ratio? What is your number of contacts versus number of appointments ratio? What is your number of appointments versus contacts versus conversion ratio? Study it, work to improve it. And the most important fundamental of all, work hard to convert every lead. Don't let them die a slow death. If your job every day is to find people who have a need to buy or sell real estate, then needs are like money in the bank if you know what to do with them. And what you can't do with them, ladies and gentlemen, is ignore them. A fundamental principle of this business is we must stay in touch with everyone, our sphere of influence, the people we meet today, tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year, because we never know who's going to have the need or know somebody who does. So those are 15 of my most important fundamentals. I hope you incorporate them into your business and go out there and have an incredibly successful week and the best year you've ever had. This is Bill Fields. I look forward to being back with you real soon.